So for the third round, here we go. So on the third round, I could see Jimo is breathing in heavier on the third round. But the good thing is that he is actually, um, I could really see in his eyes that he's really, challenging himself. That yeah, I can do this. This is for my passion. This is my desire to do boxing. I could I could go beyond the limits of my body. So he is actually sinking in at the same time. He's really trying to encourage himself because he's actually breathing heavier in this round. So on the third round, on the part of Brandon as well, you could really see who's more experienced in the boxing. You know, he's really throwing a lot of punches, even though he's receiving a lot of heavy punches in the face. You could really see that he's the more experienced one because in spite of him having those redness in his face and of course the back, you could really see whenever the camera, caught the glimpses of his back of Brandon, there's really redness. So on the part of Jimol, there's lesser. I think there's no redness or anything. There's no damage actually at all. So that's actually a good news that we could really see Jim will do have the heavy, the iron or the steel hands. I could really see that he do have the steel hands. It's really heavy because there's really an effect on the opponent. So right now, based on what I see here, this is actually a test of endurance. Brandon, no problem. No problem at all on the endurance, but on Jamal's side, he's breathing heavy and he's actually we could see that he's actually tired, but his will and determination is what keeps him going on. I do believe on this third round I could see that there's really like a need for him to improve on his instinct when he is really running out of breath, or he is actually draining on this third round. He needs to have like a quick mentality of how am I going to at least do something or change the outcome of this one, because the first and second round, it's actually the first round is actually I will gonna give the score to Brandon. The second round it's gonna be for Jimmo. But on the third round, what's next? So he has to, the quick mentality, the quick thinking of, oh, I'm gonna do something here. But he is actually relying on his strength and he is relying on his skills, but he's not relying on his mentality of the quick thinking of this deciding to do something or changing the scenario. So I do believe he needs to to have the instinct or a killer instinct like his dad, that out of nowhere he just come up with a punch that everyone will be surprised. He has to do that kind of thing as well. But I'm not saying I'm comparing him to his dad because he has just a 10 amateur fight, so I can never compare him to that. But he has to have that instinct or killer instinct, not literal killer like killer, but the thing that will a punch that will just change the history of the entire fight. Okay.